Alrighty.
All right, welcome to Appetit. Today we're doing a summer salad. So we're gonna have our shirts off for the whole episode, and so we're gonna do a watermelon salad, and we're gonna drink beer.
I'm sorry, I have to stop you. I'm uncomfortable. I don't want to do this anymore. You tried to coax me into it. You promised me alcohol. I don't feel right about this.
All right, your call, man. All right, well, welcome back to Appetit. We are gonna keep our shirts on
that
for this one.
made me very uncomfortable, but
All
we'll
good.
compartmentalize that. We'll
Yeah,
just make a watermelon salad because it's fun. It's loose. We're having a good time.
We're
We're going to talk about that
We're
right
making a
now.
watermelon salad. We're making a
You can pay a
watermelon
therapist for that. It's fine. All right, Max. Summertime.
Summertime. We are making a summer watermelon salad. So this is not necessarily a salad. It's just gonna be more like a fruit salad, I guess, with watermelon and cherries. Tomato cherries. Awesome. This one's super simple. We're just gonna keep it with our few ingredients here. So let's get started. I'm gonna cut this up.
Ooh, nice. Those are actually one of the best cuts I've ever seen of watermelon. And I've seen a few.
Right in half.
Now, is there a specific way to cut a watermelon, or does
Not
it really
really.
matter?
I just find this way is the least messy. I'll just get the shell off right away. Shell? Peel?
I think
Watermelon
peel.
Rind.
Rind.
It's a rind.
Bravo.
Watermelon rind. There you go.
The green watermelon over here.
Yeah, there we go. Get all that
Perfect.
crap out of there. Some nice cuts. We want to cut this watermelon to just the bite sizes. You do that, and you can swap it over. Flip it like this, and then do those same cuts going back. Oh,
Now, at what point do you soak the vodka in the watermelon? Is that towards the end or before?
right at the end, yeah. That's right at the
okay.
end.
That's
That's
the
actually
trick.
part of the dressing, so that's the dressing to the watermelon salad.
Nice vodka reduction.
Really nice vodka.
Except we don't reduce it.
No, never reduce
Make
vodka.
it.
You got that? Thanks. No one saw that, right?
Okay.
Awesome, watermelon salad. This one's super quick and easy. This is a great side for like burgers at the park, if you go have a barbecue in the park, or anything you want to take to the beach. Super easy, super light, super delicious salad.
Delicious.
Delicious. So I'm gonna put my tomatoes in here. I like to throw a few tomatoes in there. I find the acidity balances the kind of the sweetness of the watermelon really nicely. A few tomatoes, actually, you know what? Fuck it, let's just put all these in there.
You know what? Fuck it. It's summertime.
Why
there
are
are no
we-
rules in summertime.
Exactly.
International waters, bro. It's fine. Are you gonna be balling it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna ball it up into a little bit smaller size here. Hold it, and then run.
And if you bleed into it, it doesn't matter because it's already red.
It's already watermelon salad, yeah.
Gives a
So
shit.
that's all good.
Very nice.
Almost like I've done it before.
Yeah. I go for the attempt of really poorly holding it and just hoping to God that I don't cut all of my fingers off. So far, it's been great. But
So far, so good.
yeah.
10 for 10.
All right.
Now we're gonna do basically the exact same thing with the basil.
Be very careful.
I like to, I'm cutting the basil a little bit thicker in kind of larger pieces because I want it to have the like more pops of the flavor in each bite versus like just like a kind of a spread out flavor.
Right. It's not like a seasoning. It's like basically the lettuce.
It is a flavor, so you don't
Not
want to
quite
like
lettuce.
spread it out too much because you want it to be.
Just slightly on your lips.
Yeah, just a little bit of lemon juice here, so not much. Give some salt, a touch of salt. Yeah, perfect. If you're going to make this and then eat it later, don't salt it. Salt it later kind of thing, because you want the salt, or if you salt it too early, the salt will like bring the water out kind of thing, like it'll absorb all the water out of it, and then it'll be just like super runny and gross.
Dehydrating. Whoa, that's pretty cool. This must be good feta.
This is good feta. This is good old-fashioned Quebec feta.
I get my feta at Salvation Army. Never comes out like this.
No, I bet it doesn't.
Surprise, surprise.
Again, this one's super simple, super fresh, awesome beach snack, awesome barbecue snack. Take this to a potluck. So simple.
How do you know that a watermelon's ready?
Great question. I would hope that if they're selling it at the supermarket, it's pretty much ready. That's kind of how I go. I've never,
blindly
I don't
trust
think
a lot of people,
I've
then.
never, yeah, yes. And it's worked out for me so far. Look where I'm at.
Let's look at where we're at.
So our lemon juice in here, we got a little bit of salt. This is the key ingredient. This is a balsamic reduction. I like using balsamic reduction because it's a little bit thicker and it kind of clings to things better. You can use normal balsamic, but you just have to use way less of it because it's thinner.
How long does it take to, is reducing it just like a fucking nightmare? Oh, it smells so good.
So good.
Yeet.
This is really good. It looks like bruschetta, but with watermelon.
Fuck yeah.
You know? Beautiful. So there is one other variation of this recipe that I do also enjoy, but not every single time. I'll put a handful of arugula in it because it kind of has that like fresh peppery flavor, and it just really combines and adds into it really nicely. Yeah, this one's easy. This one's easy and fun.
Yeah, nice.
And delicious. Oh my goodness, this is like my favorite thing.
Yeah, so good. And there we have it. What do we got? I can't really do math, but about 5 ingredients for super summer sizzly salad that'll leave you speechless.